Hi all, Nadine here. I'm going to show you how to do a treble crochet today, otherwise known as a double treble in UK terms. It is abbreviated as TR in the United States and Canada usually, and in the UK it is abbreviated as DTR, being double treble versus treble. So first we need to start off with a slip knot, and then I'm just going to chain 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now to get up to the stitch height that we need, you need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at this point you yarn over twice, so you have the three loops on your hook, and in the fifth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's where you go in, you grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, and now just like the double crochet, the triple crochet, you pull it through 2, yarn over, you pull it through 2 again, and yarn over, you pull it to 2. So that was the only difference. You had that one extra loop, and otherwise you just still keep taking off 2 stitches at a time until it's done. So yarn over twice, pull it through, pull through, pull through, pull through. When you get used to doing this, it's goes along quite nice and quickly. It's a taller stitch, and so you can make like a scarf fairly quickly with this sort of stitch, but it would be a little bit, as you can see, the stitches are all looser just because they have that extra long gap. But it'll all depend on what you're making. Of course, you're not just going to use one stitch in a lot of things. So again, that was yarn over twice, put your needle through, or your hook through, pull it, yarn over again, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, and pull it through 2. Now we just have 3 more stitches to go, and I'll show you how to get up to the next stitch, or the next row. And generally the stitches will be all used in conjunction with each other, and you'll make something that looks really cool out of all this, and generally something that's nice and warm. Yay! So yarn over, pull through. We need to make 4 chains just like at the beginning there. Yarn over twice and turn your work. So now, just like before, just like the double stitch, you gotta get down to the last treble you made and go into the top of that. Pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, and pull it through 2. So then that's your next row. Yarn over twice, and pull it through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Just like that. 2. I'm going to finish this one and then I'll try to do it slowly. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, and you go into this stitch here, You grab a yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You can see it's getting to be quite the little piece of fabric going. And that's all there is to it. You just kind of pull through two stitches at a time until you only have one stitch on your, or one loop on your hook. And generally in a pattern, the short form again for this would be TR or DTR. If it's UK terms, it'll usually say whether it's US or UK terms. And in a chart, it'll generally be a large T with 2 little slashes in each. In a chart kind of pattern, the size of your stitches will be dependent on how many little crosses are on that, like how many lines intersect that pattern. Because once you get, like this is in US terms, this is the triple treble. Say that 10 times fast. But in the UK there's no term for this. Basically, if you have a chart that has this on it, that'll be a double crochet, triple, double triple, and triple treble. Triple treble. Blah 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 blah. And for each, basically each strike through is a yarn over around the hook. So this one would tell me to go over 4 times. So you see that? So you don't even really need to know the name of the stitch, as long as, for a chart situation, as long as you know what the T means. So a T with 1 strike through it is a double, 2 strikes through it is the treble, and 3 is the double treble, and 4 is the triple treble. And if I keep saying triple treble, I'll get in triple trouble. Aha. Okay, bad joke. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. So I hope, I might as well, since I showed you the one, this is the symbol for this stitch that we're working on now. If you like the video and my bad jokes, hit the like button and give me a subscribe. Comment on my videos if you like, and I would love to hear from you guys. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.